Civics need to happen in the classroom, school-wide, and across the community. And Gabriela exemplifies a community leader who elevates youth voice to be the change. Congratulations, Gabriela, and thank you for your service to youth and racial justice.
First, thank you, Jennifer, for the great introduction and for nominating me. I had no idea I was even being considered for this. So of course, I was very emotional, and the youth and my community and my organization all are very grateful for this recognition. But of course, I want to take this moment to, hoping that I don't get emotional, but take this moment to really pass it on over to the youth, right? Like I wouldn't be here, this recognition wouldn't be happening without their work and without their efforts. And our group is about finding our voices and speaking loud on our truth and ensuring that we fight for our needs in every space that we come into. And I know that I see that every single time that they walk into a space and a room, that they bring their values and their community with them. So from the bottom of my heart, I just want to thank all the youth for blessing me to be a part of their journey, their leadership growth, and for really just allowing me to be a part of their journey and making Salinas a better place. And I know that everything that they do with their hearts and their souls, and we're very blessed as a community to have them as young leaders showing us exactly what they need and how to do it, and allowing us adults to step back and really feel confident that our future is in great hands. So I really just want to take this moment to acknowledge the youth and thank them for letting me guide them and trusting me. And I can't wait for you all to take over the world. So thank you for this recognition, and thank you for the youth for everything that you do. I'm truly blessed to have you all in my life and for letting me be a part of your journey.